What's up everybody, this is Fitness 24/7 and I'm going to do a quick workout with you. It's a very strong workout I'm going to do right now. It's one of the most dangerous workouts you can actually do, but I'm going to perform it for you. And before I start, I want to make sure, for a quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor or nothing like that, so it would be good if you could contact your nearest physician, also known as your doctor, and then if he gives you the okay, you can proceed. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is called the Good Morning Exercise, okay? So the Good Morning Exercise actually was made very popular by Bruce Lee. And the thing is that the exercise is so extreme that he actually got hurt when he was performing the exercise, okay? So, but being the person he was, he brought himself back and he was able to get back to peak physical form. Okay, but that's a story for another time, so we're going to perform it right now. So when you do this exercise, you want to make sure you hinge from your hips, okay? The move is in the hips. And when your hips go back, you want to make sure you drift, your hips drift back and you go forward, okay? This exercise, what it does, it works the erector spinae, which is right here. It also helps your posture muscles, and mainly it works on the glutes, hamstring, and also on your lower back. Okay, so I recommend that when you do this, you want to make sure you do a quick warm-up. I'm going to do it with a power bar, okay? So my body bar is actually like 20 pounds, but you can do it lighter. And actually, I suggest you should do like a quick warm-up and do body weight when you're doing the move. And make sure that when you're doing it also that you lock up your legs, okay? And you want to come as forward as much as you can. Okay, so we're going to do a few, and hopefully you get to learn something new. Let's start, guys. Okay, so feet hip distance apart as always. So we're going to do body weight first as a warm-up, and then we do it with the weight. So you're going to make sure you bring your hands, bring them back, elbows back. Take a nice breath, and we're going to do 6. Hinge forward. That's 1. You already can feel it. That's 2. Nice posture. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, so that's your quick warm-up. Okay, as you notice, when I'm doing the move, I take my time because it's a very strong exercise and we're not in no race here. So you want to make sure you get proper form, and every time you execute it, I want you to execute it to a T with perfection because there's your body on the line, okay? So we got to do it right now. So you grab your body bar or dumbbells or barbells, either one. Feet hip width apart. Mine uses 20 pounds. When you use one, you could go 10 pounds or lower if you like. Put it across the shoulders. Make sure you hold. Nice and strong. Deep breath. And proceed. That's 4. That's 5. 6. Now I'm going to give you a side profile, and that should be all. So from the side, do something like this. Body straight, nice and strong. Hips moving, drifting backwards. That's a total of 12. And actually, I don't recommend no more than 12. If you think you could do a little more, well, that's up to you. But I think 12 should be awesome for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, make sure to hit that little bell and click it so like that you can get my notifications. Make sure you take care of yourself. See you soon.